Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to receive money using Apple Pay on your iPhone. First, make sure Apple Pay is set up on your device. Open the Wallet app and confirm that you have a debit card added and that Apple Cash is enabled. To receive money, the other person can send it to you through the Messages app using Apple Pay. When they send the payment, you'll receive a notification on your iPhone. Tap the notification or open the Messages app to view the payment. The money will be sent to your Apple Cash balance automatically. Once the money is in your Apple Cash balance, you can keep it there to use with Apple Pay or transfer it to your bank account. To do that, open the Wallet app, tap on Apple Cash, then select Transfer to Bank. Choose the amount you want to transfer, select Instant Transfer or Standard Transfer, and confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If someone sends you money and you don't receive it right away, open the Wallet app, tap Apple Cash, and check your recent transactions to make sure the payment is there. And that's how you receive money on Apple Pay. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.